Excuse me, hi. Could you tell me where's Ma'am Frances' room is?
Ha? Ano po yun? Hindi ko po kayo maintindihan.
Her classroom, Ma'am Frances' room.
Sorry po, hindi ko po kayo maintindihan.
He doesn't understand English. You're looking for Ma'am Frances' room, right?
Yes, that's right.
Naghahanap siya ng room ni Ma'am Frances.
Nasa kanan po, pangalan po.
It's the second room on the right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hey Jensen, you okay? You look completely drained.
I'm failing. I'm not failing, but I'm not meeting my own expectations. My parents, my teachers, everyone expects so much.
Jensen, it sounds like you're carrying a lot. It's okay to not always be perfect.
But that's what everyone wants. I feel like I'm constantly letting everyone down. I'm so afraid of disappointing.
That's a lot of pressure to put on yourself. It sounds like you're struggling with performance anxiety. Have you considered talking to someone about it? Counselor, maybe?
I don't know. I feel weak admitting I can't handle it.
It's not weak. Mark, it's brave. It takes strength to ask for help. There are resources available. You don't have to go through this alone. Let's talk to the school counselor together tomorrow.
Okay, maybe you're right. Christine, you okay? You look a little pale.
I can't do this, Jensel. I can't go on stage. I'm going to forget everything. I'm going to mess up. Everyone will laugh at me.
Hey, you practiced so hard. You're amazing. It's okay to be nervous. Everyone gets stage fright sometimes.
But what if I freeze? What if I forget the words?
You know your song inside and out. And even if you stumble, it's okay. Just take a deep breath, remember why you're doing this, and keep going. We're all here to support you. Think of us in the audience cheering you.
You're right. I've worked too hard to let nerves win.
That's my plan. Now, let's do a quick run through of your week. And remember, if something goes wrong, I'll be right here for you.